Look at what I picked up at Walgreens for no money and a moneymaker of 27 cents. Now I'm going to show you different ways you can do this transaction. You might get it for FREE just like I did. However, if you don't have everything that I use for it, you might have to pay a little bit, but not too much because I'm going to show you how you can get this also. So before we get started, don't forget to like and follow so that you can continue to receive notifications of when I post and share so that more people can enjoy the savings just like you and I. Now, for this small transaction of these four items, I used two perks. I used a digital perk of spend 20 and get back $5 into your account. And then I used one of these boosters that I showed you how you can get on one of my other videos. Go check it out. How you can get one of these boosters of spend 15 and get back 5 into your account. So let's get into this. The Vaseline is coming out to $8.49 for one, and the other one is half off. There's also a digital coupon of $4 in the app. Make sure you clip your coupons before going into the store. The total for the two would be $12.73 minus the 4 for the digital. You're left to pay $8.73 for both of them if you were to do it in a transaction by itself. Then I picked up two of these toothbrushes, $4 each, for a total of $8. There is a $4 digital coupon that comes off, leaving you to pay $4 if you were doing it by itself. And then you get back a register reward of $3, making them both $1 or 50 cents for each one. Now I put all these in a transaction and it totaled $20.73. I'm going to do the breakdown of the math right now. $8.49 for one of the Vaselines times 1.5 because the second one is half off. That'll be $12.73 plus the $8 for the toothbrushes. I was left to pay $20.73, but you take away the $4 from the Vaseline as a digital coupon and the $4 as a digital coupon for the brushes. $12.73 is what you would pay in the store. Make sure that you have your coupons clipped as I mentioned, and you give this when you're going to pay. You can use register rewards as well if you want, but if you don't have any and you just have your perks, then that's fine. $12.73 minus you're going to get back the $3 in a register reward for having bought the toothbrushes. You're going to get back $5 for the booster that I just showed you, and I got back $5 for my digital perk. So I paid nothing and I got 26 cents back. Of course, all these transactions are before your taxes, so that you know. If you did not have those $5 from the digital perk or the booster, you only had one or the other, then your total would be $4.73 for all four items. And when you divide them by four, $1.18 for each one. So I hope you get yours, and don't forget to like and follow. Save this video so that you can take it with you when you go shopping. And until the next one, don't forget to smile.